Hello and welcome. Today I want to show you how to scroll the scroll view with buttons. The basic Unity engine doesn't allow us to do this. It's allowing us only to drag and move it or just use the middle mouse button. So let's start. I will create a new folder called scroll view and then two scripts. One will be controlling the middle part and the second one will be controlling buttons. So for the middle one I will call it scroll view system, and for the buttons it will be called scroll button. Then we will drag and drop it on the scroll view and scroll button on arrow up, scroll button for arrow down. And let's start with scroll button. Don't need these. We don't need this. So we need event handlers, and we need to know when the button is down and when it's up. For this we will need to use Unity engine.event systems, and we want I pointer down handler and I pointer up handler. So for the I pointer down handler and up handler you need to implement two methods. First one is on pointer down, public void on pointer down, which accepts one parameter, which is pointer even data. I'll call it even data. And second one is almost the same. It's just on pointer up. Same parameter. Pointer event data. And when the button is down or up, we want to change one boolean value, which will be publicly accessible. So public bool is down is equal to false. When it's down, we will change it to true. When it's up, we will change it back to false. And that's it for the button. For the scroll view, it will need a little bit of more. So we will need a reference to the scroll view. So private scroll view for the scroll rect, right? Scroll rect. To actually use this, we need a namespace for Unity Engine UI. So using Unity Engine.ui. Let's get the reference. We can get it from the component because it's on this component. Scroll rect. Then in update method, we will scroll when the button is down. To get the buttons, we will make a serialized field which will be accessible from Unity editor, and it will be a reference to a button. Scroll button, left button. Forgot to say private. And as we want to have it on all four sides, we will have four buttons. So left, right, top, and bottom. And this way we can use it on different scroll rects anywhere in the UI, bottom and top. And then we want serialized field for actual speed of the scroll, private float scroll speed. We will set it default 0.01. let's start with the left button. So if left button is set, so isn't equal to null, we will check if it's down. So left button is down. And if yes, we will just scroll left. We will do the same for the remaining 3 buttons. So I will just duplicate the code 3 times and do it for the right button. Copy right button, then bottom button, and top button. For right we will call it scroll right, for bottom scroll bottom, and for top scroll top, scroll top. Let's create functions, private void scroll left. The only thing we need to do here is change the horizontal normalized position of our scroll rectangle. So first of all we will check if scroll rect isn't null. Then check if the scroll rect horizontal normalized position is more than 0, because it's scrolling from 0 to 1, so it should be either 0 or 1 or anything in between. So to move it, we will set the horizontal normalized position minus scroll speed. Okay, and we will duplicate the function 3 times for the remaining 3 buttons. So scroll left, scroll right. Scroll right has to be always less or equal to 1. And we are actually incrementing. Scroll top. For this we will use the vertical normalized position. And when we are scrolling top, we want to be below or equal to 1. And for scrolling to bottom, scroll bottom, we want to be, it has to be more than 0. Alright. That's it. Now we will reference the buttons inside Unity Editor. So we have only the bottom and top. So we will use these two. Arrow down for the bottom and arrow up for the top button. And that's it. Let's try it. So when I click the bottom button, it's going down. When I hold it, it's scrolling top. Okay, and that's it. Thank you for watching.